Welcome back, guys and girls, to another episode of the Garden Shed Fabricating. Today we're going to be doing a bow mount on a tinny. You must have seen plenty of these pop up on my page before. I'm just going to walk you through what I do. I'm going to do a handrail modification on this one. Got a bow rail there, so I'll chop it down and shorten it. I'll walk you through it and just show you the process. Cheers. Here is a heap of templates that I've cut up over time. I just used one that fits best, and yeah, we go from there. So what I'm going to do now is cut up the extrusion for the frame. So I do a little frame first before I shoot the top. A lot of people do them a lot of different ways, personal preference. This is my design that I've done. Whatever, it doesn't really matter what you use as long as it looks nice, which it does. Everybody's seen it. So yeah, I'm going to cut this up now and then we'll weld it together on the bench. And I'll show you how it goes on. I've just gone out and cooled it down. It's a bit hard to handle otherwise. Now we're going to cut the miters back on here, shape it into the side of the shape it up onto the side here, make sure it's got a sit right sort of square down the side, doesn't stick out the side of the gunnel. And yeah, nothing there. Cheers. just thought I'd do a quick little cutscene here. I'll just explain, I've done this before, but I'll keep doing it just to show you guys what I've got. You know, I've got a Token Tools Metal Master. It's just a 210 Post Pro. You can see I run it's in backwards, but that's 210 amps. I run everything flat out because I've got a dial on my handpiece for heat control. So here's my dial. And run that up and down for heat. So no matter what I've got it set on, I can adjust to suit. So I have upgraded my gas. I was running this one here, which is a 20% helium in argon. I've jumped up now to a 25 to 50% helium in argon. I love it. It's a lot easier to control for me, so and I get a better penetration with it. Not really much else I can tell you about this. I run a 2.4 tungsten lanthanated, I'm pretty sure it's called. Let's have a look here. No, that's got the wrong sticker on it, so I can't tell you what it is. But they're a gold top. Yeah, water cooler. Got to have it with aluminium. What else can I tell you guys? Oh, I can tell you these machines here are brilliant for their price. So if anyone's looking for a welder, I highly recommend them. I flog it. You can see how much welding I do. Never had an issue with this thing. It is brilliant. And all those bigger brands, I've used them all, like Fronius and Kempe and stuff like that. And this does just as good a job, as you can see. It just comes down to the person with the experience. So anyway, I'll cut back to putting this bow mount on. Cheers. So as you can see here, I've sort of shaped her up a little bit to work in the side of the boat, because the extrusion here is a bit shaped, so to go on like that. This top will sit level with the top of the extrusion, and then that'll leave good form there for my plate to sit on top of. Alright, now so I've tacked this frame on. See there? I've just tacked it on. I'm just doing a dummy trial. Bloody light. There we go. That's sort of roughly where it's going to sit if we're looking right down the side of the boat. It's basically just tucked in. That's beautiful. So that's basically it for that section. Got our frame welded on. These I'll take off because I need to stick my plate flat on there. They're pretty flat already. I made sure they sunk in and it was a nice flat weld, but I'll just take it off a little bit to dress it up. There's some of the welding I've just done. As you can see, nothing bar the best. Overheads. So yeah, now I'll cut the top plate for it. I'll clean these welds off and we'll slap that on there. Alright, now, what I use here is shallite. I use shallite to clean my material. I've had a couple of comments on my last post, people going, oh, don't use brake cleaner. They say I use acetone. Acetone gives me a headache, so I don't give a shit. I use shallite, it's good stuff. Works well, all I'm doing is cleaning up the oils. Up to me what I do with my health. There we have it. Apart from dipping the tip, which I'm good at. Just ask my missus. Turned out pretty well. As you can see, nicely welded. Bloody beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support, all of yous. Yeah, it's been good. Keep following, share around, show your mates. Thanks. Okay, I lied to that last bit. I'm not finished. I've got to put this on. So let's do it.
Around despite the loss, I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just...
Okay, now we're all done. Cheers, guys.